Hey guys, I just got the new Supermofools Husqvarna headlight in today. I got the Bright Edition. I'll be replacing this factory one. Let's open it up and take a look. With some stickers. Also comes with a coupon code to get a discount off my next order. And there she is. Blacked out, got the Bright Edition. I'm gonna start putting it on and give you a before and after. Alright, so I loosened the 3 bolts. Got this off and looks pretty straightforward from here. Unplug this one, plug the new one in, and get it going. Hang tight. Alright guys, I got the new light on. There's a glare in it, but it's pretty cool. And if you look at the top, you can't see, but you got the SMF Supermofools logo in there. So this headlight assembly is a little bit bigger in the back compared to the OEM. So you do have to push it on there a little harder and tuck some wires out of the way. But let's turn the key on to show you. So this is the daytime running light. So in order to use the headlight itself, you got to use it in high beams mode. And then that brings that on. I noticed some people complain they don't like riding around with their high beams, they want that to stay on. But personally, I think it's kind of ugly. I like it just like that. Daytime running light and low beam. And then turn the high beams on. That brings that on. So, I like the headlight, it looks great. It's super bright, it's hard to tell, it's sunny out as you can see. Look forward to trying it out.